How to add Facebook feed to Webflow. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add Facebook feed to your Webflow account. How can you do this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Webflow account and then upgrade your account from a free version to a paid version. This is if you are currently using the free version. So you must note that the reason for doing this is because the only way whereby you can add a Facebook feed to your Webflow account is by being on the paid version. This feature is only available for the paid version users. So once you've upgraded your account, go to your web browser, then open a new tab. In this new tab, type out a domain name called elfsite.com. Now, elfsite is the site where you'll be able to get widgets that you can use on your Webflow site. So once you type out elfsite.com, you'll be asked to create an account. Ensure you create an account, and once the account has been created, you'll be brought to the catalog page automatically. And if you're not brought to this page, ensure you click on catalog, and then you'll be on this page. Then once you're on the catalog page, by the right side of the screen, you see a search bar. Type out Facebook feed. Okay, yeah, so select it. Once you've selected it, you'll be taken to another page where you'll be asked to choose a template. Now this template depends largely on what you want. Do you want it to be a medium widget? Do you want to be a small widget? Just select that, then click on continue with this template. Then the next thing is to connect it to your Facebook, and once you're done connecting and editing the page to your desired site, just go out to the top right corner of the screen and click on publish. Once you click on publish, you'll be asked to choose a plan, the basic, pro, or premium. Select the one you want. For me, I'll be going with the free plan. Then copy your code. All right, and go back to your Webflow. Select the site that you want to add the Facebook feed to, and then you wait for designer to load. All right, just wait. Now once it has loaded, you'll be taken to your site. This is my site, and then move over to the left side of the screen and click on the plus icon. Once you click on the plus icon, a box will be displayed. Scroll down until you see the advanced tab, and then click on embed. All right, now this feature is not available for me because I am currently using the free version, but once you've upgraded, you'll be able to make use of this feature. The next thing is to just long press on this feature and then drag it to the page and drop it. Once you drag and drop it, a field will be displayed. Ensure you input your code, that is the code that you've copied from the elf site page. Once you input it, automatically Facebook feed will be added to your Webflow account. It is that simple. So this is how you can add Facebook feed to your Webflow account. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.